South Africans can breathe a collective sigh of relief as the weekend's wild weather continues to move on from the country. But look what was left in its wake. This is a photo taken from a viewer in northern Lesotho, of all places. He's got snow-capped mountains out his back door. This should be a fairly short-lived event as temperatures are generally forecast to warm up across all of southern Africa. But nonetheless, this could be a taste of things to come. Here's our latest 24-hour satellite loop. That's the storm system moving away from the country. We're left with mostly clear skies across most of South Africa, with the exception of some high cloud across the northern Cape and parts of the eastern Cape. What about the next 24 hours? Well, this is our futurecast map. More sunshine expected for Pretoria, Johannesburg, Bloemfontein, as well as Upington. Bit of cloud cover near Cape Town. We have a small chance of light showers along the east coast, particularly between Port Elizabeth, East London, Durban, and Richards Bay. So let's get to your forecast in detail. Starting along the KwaZulu-Natal province, we'll call it up to a 20% chance of light showers. Most of your Tuesday will stay dry. Temperatures in the lower and middle 20s from Pietermaritzburg to the Durban coast. Cooler for the higher elevations of the Eastern Cape, but this is significantly warmer than what we experienced over the weekend, that's for sure. Maybe a passing shower for East London, temperatures nearing 22, nearly an identical forecast for Port Elizabeth. Temperatures across the interior of the Western and Eastern Cape reaching the lower and middle 20s with plenty of sunshine overhead. Comfortable conditions for the Winelands and Cape Agulhas. Very nice from Hermanus into Cape Town, with light southeasterly winds. Temperatures breaking the 30-degree mark along the west coast of our country. Maximum sunshine across the northern Cape. Temperatures rebounding quite nicely after a chilly start to your morning. Overnight lows around 9 degrees for Bloemfontein, but your Metrovision calls for temperatures reaching 23 by the afternoon under mostly sunny skies and light southwesterly winds. A bit cooler near Bethlehem and Harrismith with some cloud cover overhead. Otherwise, plenty of sunshine from Velkom to Klerksdorp, Vryburg, Ventersdorp, and Rustenburg. Our forecast remains partly cloudy across the Limpopo province. Maybe a bit of cloud cover across the escarpment and Lowveld. We do have a small chance of drizzle, especially Tuesday evening and as we travel further south into the Mpumalanga province. Otherwise, sunny and dry across the Highveld, and temperatures will be very comfortable. In fact, a few degrees warmer than what we experienced on Monday. 22 for Johannesburg, 24 degrees for Pretoria. Light and variable winds throughout the country, with the exception of the KZN coast. We have a moderate southwester in your forecast. The extended outlook looks beautiful throughout the country, still dry on Wednesday, and really warming up across the southwestern Cape by Thursday.
News that moves. eNCA.com.